Hey guys, welcome to the latest video of Torquay Separate, and today I'm at Torquay once again, located on the Riviera line. So you'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway only. I think we're getting, I really hope that I'll be getting I'll already get a service to London Paddington. No, Paynton, because it's running really late. So it could come in like around it's supposed to come in at 17:39. It's coming in actually at 18:04. It's like around just over half an hour late. Hope I'll see that. Only if it's like a commuter, I'll be so mad. Like it's pointless doing a station in Torquay. I've done this many times. So I'm gonna try use CapCut if I can. If I can't, I'll just do videos